Think Japanese souvenirs are limited to Hello Kitty, folding fans, or Mount Fuji keychains? Think again. Beneath the surface of tourist hotspots lies a treasure trove of unique and unexpected finds that will leave your friends in awe. If you're searching for souvenirs that showcase your creativity and thoughtfulness, this video is your ultimate guide. And don't miss the end, where we'll reveal a rare and meaningful keepsake you absolutely must know about. When it comes to souvenirs, most people think of mass-produced items. But if you venture into traditional markets or artisan shops, you'll uncover a world of treasures that reflect Japan's cultural richness and craftsmanship. Handmade ceramics. Japan's renowned pottery villages, such as Arita, Bizen, and Kutani, produce exquisite tea bowls, plates, and cups crafted entirely by hand. Each piece carries centuries of history and is perfect for someone who appreciates fine craftsmanship. Imagine gifting a tea bowl with a story that spans generations. It's a gesture of true thoughtfulness. Vintage kimono fabrics. Many secondhand stores in Japan sell pieces of vintage kimono fabric with stunning patterns. These can be repurposed as table runners, scarves, or decorative items. Each piece is a work of art that embodies traditional Japanese aesthetics. Artisanal Japanese chocolates. Featuring flavors like matcha, sakura, or yuzu, Japanese chocolates come in elegant packaging and offer a luxurious treat for food lovers. These items are not just beautiful, but also carry the spirit of Japanese artistry and tradition. Traditional Japanese lacquerware. Known for its durability and beauty, Japanese lacquerware is another hidden gem. The intricate designs and the painstaking process of applying multiple layers of lacquer make each piece unique. Whether used in a traditional tea ceremony or as a decorative piece, lacquerware adds a touch of elegance and history to any home. Japanese calligraphy sets. For those who appreciate the art of writing, a traditional Japanese calligraphy set makes a thoughtful and unique gift. These sets often include brushes, inkstones, and special paper, all crafted with precision. Gifting a calligraphy set is like offering a piece of Japan's artistic heritage, perfect for anyone who loves to create or appreciates fine art. Traditional Japanese fans, hand-painted and often made from bamboo and paper, these fans are not only functional, but also beautiful pieces of art. They can be used in traditional dances or simply displayed as decorative items, adding a touch of Japanese elegance to any space. Japanese incense. Known for its calming and aromatic properties, Japanese incense is crafted with natural ingredients and traditional techniques. It's perfect for creating a serene atmosphere at home or as a thoughtful gift for someone who enjoys relaxation and meditation. One growing trend is to bring home experiences instead of material gifts. Japan offers countless opportunities to immerse yourself in its culture, creating unforgettable memories. Traditional tea ceremony. Participate in a tea ceremony to experience Japan's serene tea culture. Learn how to brew and serve tea properly while discovering the deep philosophy behind each movement. The tea ceremony is not just about drinking tea, it's a meditative practice that embodies harmony, respect, purity, and tranquility. Calligraphy workshops. Try your hand at Japanese calligraphy, guided by a skilled artisan. This ancient art form is a beautiful way to connect with Japanese culture. This is a chance to create a personalized piece of art while understanding the Zen-inspired discipline of this craft. Each stroke of the brush is a reflection of the artist's state of mind. Kimono dressing sessions. Go beyond just wearing a kimono. Learn the graceful movements and posture that complement this traditional attire. The kimono is a symbol of Japanese culture and history, and wearing one is a unique experience. It's a memorable activity that also results in stunning photos. Imagine sharing these beautiful moments with your friends back home. These experiences are not only meaningful for you, but also make for wonderful stories to share with friends. Whether it's the tranquility of the tea ceremony, the artistic expression of calligraphy, or the elegance of kimono dressing, these activities provide a deeper understanding of Japanese culture. So next time you're in Japan, consider bringing home an experience. It's a souvenir that lasts a lifetime. Japanese cooking classes. Dive into the culinary world of Japan by taking a cooking class. Learn to make sushi, tempura, or other traditional dishes from expert chefs. Not only do you get to enjoy delicious food, but you also gain a new skill to impress your friends back home. Cooking classes are a fun and interactive way to experience Japanese culture. Pottery workshops. Try your hand at Japanese pottery, an art form that has been perfected over centuries. Create your own unique piece of pottery under the guidance of a master potter. This hands-on experience allows you to take home a tangible piece of Japan, crafted by your own hands. It's a perfect blend of creativity and cultural immersion. So next time you're in Japan, consider bringing home an experience. It's a souvenir that lasts a lifetime. To find truly unique gifts, venture beyond popular tourist spots and explore local specialties in lesser-known regions. Japan has thousands of sake breweries, each offering unique flavors based on local water and rice. A bottle of sake from Niigata, known for its pure water and premium rice, makes an excellent gift for connoisseurs. Bizen and Kutani pottery showcase distinctive styles. Bizen pottery has a rustic, unglazed finish, while Kutani pottery is vibrant with intricate designs. Each piece tells the story of its region. Beyond crafts, try edible specialties like hitamochi, dried squid from Kanazawa, or Kyoto's traditional wagashi sweets. These treats are delicious and deeply rooted in their local cultures. Another delightful gift idea is matcha tea. Visit a traditional tea house to experience the serene tea ceremony and bring home some matcha from Uji, renowned for its high-quality tea leaves. For those who appreciate traditional arts, a Japanese calligraphy set makes a thoughtful gift. The art of calligraphy, or shodo, is a revered practice in Japan, and a beautifully crafted brush and ink set can inspire creativity and mindfulness. So, when you're looking for souvenirs, remember to explore the local flavors and crafts that make each region of Japan unique. These treasures will not only delight your friends, but also give them a taste of Japan's rich cultural heritage. Nothing is more special than a gift chosen with a personal connection in mind. When you give a gift that resonates with the recipient's interests or passions, it shows that you truly know and care about them. It's a way to express your appreciation and understanding of their unique personality. Limited edition figurines or accessories from famous anime series are sure to thrill any enthusiast. Imagine the joy on their face when they receive a rare collectible from their favorite show. These items are not just toys, they are pieces of art that capture the essence of beloved characters and stories. They can also become cherished mementos that remind the recipient of your thoughtful gesture. A miniature bonsai tree or a set of plant seeds can bring a touch of Japan's natural beauty into someone's home. Bonsai trees are a symbol of patience and care, and they can be a wonderful way to introduce someone to the art of bonsai cultivation. Planting and nurturing a bonsai tree can be a meditative and rewarding experience. It's a gift that grows and evolves over time, much like the relationship you share with the recipient. Japanese knives are renowned for their sharpness and craftsmanship. A high-quality Japanese knife can be a game-changer in the kitchen, making cooking more enjoyable and efficient. These knives are often handcrafted by skilled artisans, and they carry a rich history of Japanese culinary tradition. Giving such a knife is like offering a piece of Japan's heritage, a tool that will be used and appreciated for years to come. Traditional condiments like miso soy sauce or matcha powder are perfect gifts for anyone who loves to cook. Miso soy sauce adds a unique umami flavor to dishes, while matcha powder can be used in a variety of recipes, from tea to desserts. These ingredients can introduce someone to the flavors of Japanese cuisine and inspire them to try new recipes. They are not just ingredients, they are gateways to culinary adventures and new experiences. Remember, every gift can tell a story about culture, history, and your thoughtfulness. When you take the time to choose a gift that has meaning, you are not just giving an object, you are sharing a piece of yourself and your experiences. Whether it's a handcrafted item, a culinary delight, or a piece of art, the story behind the gift makes it truly special. So next time you're looking for a gift, think about the story you want to tell and the connection you want to create. The right gift can create lasting memories and deepen your bond with the recipient. Unique Japanese souvenirs go beyond the ordinary, showcasing your appreciation for Japan's culture and leaving a lasting impression on your friends. To explore more about Japan, check out the incredible tours available on Viator, Get Your Guide, and G Adventures, linked in the description below. Share this video if you found it helpful, and see you next time on our journey of discovery.